Oh, you don't like the text? Change it instantly. Watch Myth AI transform it in seconds. Choose the text editor and upscale your input image. Simply add your targeted text in the dialog box and replace it with exactly what you want. Watch Myth AI transform your text into any style you imagine in real time. Once you're happy with the text, take it further. Grab an existing design and extract its pattern using the pattern extractor. You can keep it as is or generate variations. Endless possibilities. Browse the generated options. Select the design you like best and download it instantly.